Even the back sparkles. Wow. I've been going quite a while on this, on the 180 grit, because that's the roughest or coarsest grit that I have on the cab machine. And right now this is as best as I can do on here with that. My hand is really sore, so I'm gonna have to stop. I still have a problem with this area right here and right through here. I cannot get that worked out. It's gonna take a little bit more time. I've probably been doing this for 30 minutes or longer, and still, I mean, it's looking great. I mean, it looks beautiful, but I mean, I've got the edges are looking great. As you can see, the edges have some very nice banding in it for the agate. I started working a little bit on the back to see if I could flatten it out a little, but it's just not doing that great, so I probably won't do much on the back. I would love to cut this into 2 parts, but as y'all know, I can't use my saw because I get yelled at and cause issues with my family, so I'm just going to leave it as one big piece and try to sell it that way. But I have this rough spot here, and then from here all the way around to here, I just can't get that to buff out yet. I'm gonna keep going and try to get that taken care of. This is where we are right now. So I worked on this by contour polishing it a little bit. As you can see, it's still a little rough. But I started working on taking the edge down and working on the back a little bit. Doing the same thing for these edges and these edges. So started just contouring it all the way around. And it helped with this spot a little bit, but that spot still is a bad spot that I'm still trying to work out of there. As you can see, it is not coming out. Just don't know what to do about it. Just gonna just keep trying. I don't want to, you know, lose the whole stone over one spot. So, but as you can see, it just is not polishing up very well. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna keep working on it. And I might take a Dremel to the back because of how uneven it is. You can see it's like a huge hole right here that my thumb will literally fit down inside. But as I work the back, I can see that there's a lot of, let's see, banding inside of it as well. But we'll see what's going to happen, you know. No promises, but I'll just try is all I can tell you. We'll see how it comes out. Thanks. Okay, I think I finally got this piece ready to move on to the next stage. I got the rough spot out of that. I've got all of that rough spot out. Most of the rough spots are out of the edges here. Now, there's one right there that's got a little pit in it, but I'm not worried about the sides. This is looking good on this side. It's all smoothed down. Some staining on there, but I'm not worried about staining. And I think it's best to take the Dremel, of course, to this. It's got some nice looking agate in there when you look through it, but I mean, that's the back anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's just got that big pit there. And in order to turn it into a nice cabochon, this is really needing to be flattened out all the way. So I think it's best for the Dremel. I'm going to call this good for now for the first stage and set it aside until I get the next wheel on. But I have other things that I want to work on the 180 before I move it on, before I change out the wheel. So I think this is good for now.